It's morning. Good morning. It is January 12th, 2023, and I just want to let y'all know I'm still on my ish. I hope you're doing the same thing. I'm hoping I can get some help in the comments with more ideas of things that I can eat in the morning so that I can feel good all day. This is what I have been eating every day since November 30th, and I have lost 12 pounds. I eat avocado toast, and then I have a protein shake, and I'm just showing you how I make it. Normally, I do add onions with this, but I didn't get a chance to get chopped onions in the store, as I'm not chopping no onions because they make me cry. I have not started working out yet, but I will be doing so soon so that I can increase, some more weight loss as well. Right now, I weigh 300 pounds. Initially, back in May, I started out at 325. This is also something that I eat every day for 4 days, and then my other 3 days that I'm off of this, I eat Chipotle. But this came from Cheddar's Scratch Kitchen. It ends up being like $42 with tax. Yes, your girl does not like to cook, but I do enjoy making shakes. This is a kale, chocolate, and peanut butter banana smoothie that I make twice a day. So with the powder, it tells you that 2 scoops is 1 serving. I actually split that in half. So I do that in the morning, and then I do it later on if I want something sweet. Yeah, that's one issue. I do have like a sweet tooth. So to supplement, eating sweets or, junk food or whatever, I go ahead and drink this shake twice a day. And I also eat a protein bar. So I can imagine when I start working out, boy, it's about to be a really good thing for me. One thing I will say, though, about this kale that I got from Walmart, I guess it was supposed to be organic. I think what they did was took it outside and rubbed it in some sand, because I had hella sand on my kale and I was so aggravated. But just make sure you rinse all that off, and then I just tear out the stem and I put it in there, and I will blend the kale to where it's liquid. I do not want any pulp, you might as well say, in my shake. I do add a little bit of water just to cover the kale, and I go in and put it on the shake machine, which I have a Magic NutriBullet, whatever you call this. I go ahead and blend that up with the banana and a little bit of water, and just make the consistency really smooth, so my shake is not super gritty. I do like a little bit of grit, but yeah, I definitely don't want it to be every time I sip on it, I just taste a bunch of kale. Kale does have a flavor, like a grassy flavor. I, for some weird, odd reason, like that. Spinach, though, doesn't have no flavor, so you might want to try spinach. I use frozen spinach, but it seems like it is a little bit harder to blend, but it does work out still if I just blend it for a long time with the same amount of water that I have as spinach before I put my whole amount of water in there. So as soon as I have everything blended, then it's time to put in my powders. I do put in collagen from Vital Proteins because from what I understand, it's going to help my hair grow. And I'm trying to grow my hair to my mid-back. I put in peanut butter powder because my doctor was like I should switch that instead of using actual peanut butter, because it's, of course, a lot more sugar. And PBFIT or PB2 supposedly does not have as much sugar in it. So I go ahead and put, that 1 scoop in my shake. And then, of course, I use the chocolate organic protein powder. It's by a company called Orgain. And although I'm supposed to put 2 scoops in for 1 serving, I only put in 1 because, like I said, I'm drinking this twice a day. And I don't want to overdo it, because if I overdo it on this, I might as well just go back to Little Debbie snack cakes, which, I do not eat them no more. Do y'all know I've been eating them since I was like 12 years old? Every single day, almost. Yeah. So I'm not doing that no more. I have not done that since November. But anyway, just finish up with, blending this for a pretty long time. And then that is it. By the way, I use half a banana. I am always open to advice as to better ideas. Keep in mind, I like 5-minute meals, less than 30 minutes for sure. And I hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you so much. Have a good day.